Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel, Lexquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one plan at a time. So let's hop into our mail plan. Oh, I done already pulled the pages. Well, we're gonna move that to the side. Hop into our mail plan for this week. So, I am using my A New Day planner from June of 2021. So I've whited some things out and redated to get us prepped and started, because y'all done seen me white out one too many times and we don't need to keep going it over and over and over and over and over and over again. Okay, so as always, I have pulled some stickers to use from the Homebody Mini and the Homebody Classic sticker books, two of my favorites from last year's Planner Girl release. I'm thinking about going and purchasing another copy of both of these, because I think these two are the books that I used the most, because I didn't buy the Encourager one. I got the Stargazer one as a gift, and I do love that one too. Yeah, I think this is the one that I end up using the most. I love it. I'm gonna just be honest, I love it. This was the first book that I got into that had flowers in it, so yes, I do. I love it. So first thing I'm going to do is put this sticker, and the Homebody is made for the dashboard planner, so that's another reason why I love it. I'll go ahead and put this right here. Just because it just needs some, you know, and that's Father's Day. So we'll probably end up eating out that day anyway. And then what I wanted to do is, I'm starting different, huh? Usually I start on like this side of the page, but lately I've just been going with the flow. And then I'll put, do I want to do this here? Yeah, we'll do it here. Let me turn this page. So you guys know I only cook 3 days out the week. Lately, it's kind of been 4. Well, not 4, because let me stop lying. I've been needing to cook 4 days out the week, but we've been eating out and all kind of stuff, so we ain't been doing what we're supposed to do. So this week coming up, I'm going to attempt to cook 4 days this week. So we shall see how that pans out. So I just did it differentiated the days, just so that it gives it some different kind of flavor, instead of everything just being heavy on one side. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't, you'll figure it out in a minute. So this sticker, I wanted to kind of set this as a background for another sticker when I pulled it, but I haven't figured that all yet. And figured that one out completely. What else? Oh, now I kind of remember what I was gonna do. Girl, this toilet is rude. Just ran all through the video. Let me go close this door. All right. So this sticker I'm going to use, this came out of the mini. I'm going to use this one for our dinner plans. I'm just going to try to like semi-center it above. Oh no, that actually is pretty centered. Oh, okay, go girl. Center that up there for that. Now this side, I've kind of been trying to figure out what I'm going to do, because I pulled a few stickers But I think I'm gonna do a different setup than what I usually do. But it don't look like it's gonna happen like that. So I'm gonna pull this. And this is going to be my grocery sticker. There we go. That'll be my grocery list. It's on there crooked, but we're gonna just keep it pushing. And then this is going to be my list for my household items because I want to put this one right here since it fits so perfectly, and then use the other two to cover all of this up. Or do I just want to put this here? Let me put it here. That way I can use the lines to help me guide it on straight. I said that, then watch me put this. Still find some kind of way to put this down crooked. Watch, I just knows it. I just knows it. Yep, it's still a little crooked, but... And the stuff behind it is kind of ghosting through, but... You know... Ain't nothing in life perfect but God, so... I just want to pull this side up. Okay. See, we making it work. We making it work. Now, these I pulled because I figured I could put breakfast and then put my 3 breakfast options. So, I wanted to put that like right. It's a tight fit, but I got it there. And I can't remember, I think these flags came out of the mini too. But these for sure came out of the mini. I'll put this on the other side though. I'm going to put this one right here. There we go. So I have my breakfast options, my lunch options, and then down here we know it's all for decor. So let me go ahead and see if I can find some kind of headers. Actually, no. Okay. Okay, you weren't supposed to stick. Not yet, at least. Let me at least. That'll work. That gold is just like, hey, how are you? It's almost too much, but not too much yet. Guess I'll use the mustard one over here. Maybe that's what I should have done. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let me try to do a few things with my life. First, we'll put that one down. Now, even though I said I wasn't going to be bothered with it being crooked, I'm bothered with it being crooked. So, I'll try to pull this up as much as I can. Okay, that's a lot straighter. Oh, it's higher though. Oh, well, I'll just lay this sticker on top. There we go. Then this blank space right here, I can put this quote right there. It's starting to come together. It's coming together. It's coming together. Okay. Clearly I'm too excited about that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this Wild and Free and put that right there. And of course, I'm gonna put some flowers down. There we go. I just put the final touches on what needed to be done right there. That's cute. Cute. My planner bestie is always making fun of me when I do that. She be like, you be like, girl, that's cute. Cause it do be cute. And I be like, girl, you did that. Okay. What we gonna put right there? Do we have, I think, oh, it says today's. Oh. It could be the Homebody sticker right there. There we go. Trying to distract from some of that whiteout, child. Okay. Here is our spread for Meal Plan Monday. For this week, for Monday the 15th through Sunday the 21st. Don't forget, Sunday is Father's Day. Tell your father you appreciate him. We always go all out for Mother's Day, but never do that for Father's Day. We must keep up the same energy. Especially if your daddy was there, been there, and always gonna be there. I'm just saying. But thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye now.